Chapter 6, Rock and Minerals. Introduction. Table of content. Introduction. Minerals. Some major minerals and their characteristic. Rocks. Major types of rock. Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock, rock cycle. Topic number 1, Introduction. Rocks and minerals make up the earth crust. Crust or the lithosphere is the thin outermost layer of the earth. The hard, resistant material of the crust are called rocks. But in significance term, rock included not only the hard materials such as granite, sandstone, and marble, but also soft and loose materials such as chalk, clay, sand, salt, and coals. Topic number second, minerals. Minerals are those substances which occur natural in rocks. These are non-living solid substances which have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are often classified as metallic and non-metallic. The surface of the metallic minerals is generally slippery and glossy. Gold, copper, lead are metallic minerals. They are melted to obtain metals. The surface of the non-metallic minerals is dull. They cannot reflect the sun rays. Gypsum, quartz, and mica are the non-metallic minerals. Metals cannot be obtained from these minerals. Rocks and minerals accounted for about 99% of the minerals found in the outer layer of their lithosphere. Some rocks have useful material minerals which provided us metals and chemicals. Out of about 2000 different minerals, only 12 are known as rock formation forming minerals. Oxygen and silicon account for 75% of the earth crust. By weight, these elements are essential for plant and animal life on earth. Physical characteristic of minerals. Minerals have distinct physical properties that can be used to correctly identify a minerals. These are crystals. Structure are arranged of atom inside the minerals. Hardness on the Mohs scales are 10-point scale running from the softest talc to the hardest diamond. Lustrous appearance in light color streak of the minerals when it has ground to a fine powder, often tasted by rubbing the specimens or an ungauged plate. Cleavage, how minerals split along various planes. Factious, how it break against its natural cleavage planes. Specify gravity density compared with water. Topic number 2.1, some major minerals and their characteristic. Mineral composition importance, other fact. Feldspar, common feldspar, silicon and oxygen. Specify feldspar, sodium, potassium, calcium, aluminium. Importance used in a ceramic and glass making. Other fact, half of the earth crust is composed of feldspar. Quartz consists of silica, prominent component of the sand and granite, and used in radio and radars. Other fact, hard minerals virtually insoluble in water. Uh, Proxene. Proxene consists of calcium, aluminium, magnesium, iron, and silica. Importance commonly found in meteorites. Other fact, pyroxenes form 10% of the earth crust. Amphophile, aluminium, calcium, silica, iron, magnesium are the used in asbestos industries. Hornbendy is another. The fact they are from 7% of the अर्थ क्रस्ट सॉरी मैंने थोड़ा गलत बोल दिया मैं दोबारा से पढ़ दे रहा एम्फोवाल एम्फी बोले एल्यूमिनियम कैल्शियम सिलिका आयरन मैग्नीशियम आर द मेजर एलिमेंट ऑफ द एम्फीबोल्स you importance used in asbestos industries. Hornbendy is another form of amphiboles. They form 7% of the earth crust. Mica, it comprises of potassium, aluminium, magnesium, iron, silica, etc. Importance used in electric instrument. Other fact, it forms 4% of the earth crust. It is commonly found igneous and the metamorphic rocks. Olivine, magnesium, iron, and silica are the major element of olivine. Uh, Used in jewelry, found in basaltic rocks. Topic number third, rocks. Rock are generally as a mixture of two or more minerals and do not possess a definite chemical composition. Topic number 3.1, Major types of rock on the basis of on their mode of the formation. Rock can be classified into following three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rock. Topic number 3.1.1. Igneous rocks. The word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, means fires. These rocks are of the thermal origin and associated with volcanic eruptions. These rocks have been formed due to the solidification of the hard and molten material called magma. It is believed that it at the time of the earth birth of the earth is molten state. Igneous rock were first to be formed as a result of solidification of the outer layer of the earth. Thus, igneous rock is known as the primary rock. They can be divided into two type: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rock. Igneous rock that cool below the surface of the earth is called intrusive igneous rock. The rate of the cooling is slow inside the earth. Thus, the crystal formed on the cooling are large. The two common examples of intrusive rock are dolerite and granite. Igneous rock that cool on the surface of the earth called extrusive igneous rock. These rocks are known as volcanic rocks due to the rapid cooling. Crystals are fine grained, such as in basalt. On the basis of the composition, igneous rock are classified as acidic igneous rocks and basic igneous rocks. In acidic igneous rock, silica contained in rock is more than 65%. These rocks are light colored and have less density. These are also known as silicic rock. Granite and rhyolite are the example of these rocks. In basic igneous rocks, the silica contain less than 65%. They are composed predominantly of the ferromagnetic minerals rich in iron, magnesium. They are dark color and dense. Gabbro basalt are the basic rock characteristic of the igneous rock. They are compact and massive and do not possess rounded particles. They do not occur in distinct bed or stratus. They are generally granular and crystalline. They are hard and immersible. They are less affected by chemical weathering. They do not contain any fossil or trace of animal or plant. Most of the igneous rock consist of the silicate minerals. The valuable minerals such as iron, gold, silver, aluminium, etc. are found in them. Economic importance of igneous rock. They are a reservoir of the minerals. Majority of metallic minerals are found in igneous rock. Economically important minerals are found in these rock: magnetic iron, nickel, copper, lead, zinc, chromite, magnesium, tin. Rare minerals like gold, diamonds, platinum are also found in these rocks. Basalt and granite are used for constructing of buildings and roads. The formation of the black soil is probably the result of erosion of these rocks. These rocks are much suited for to cultivated of cotton and some other crops. Topic number 3.1.2. Sedimentary rocks. The word sedimentary is been derived from the Latin word sedimentarium, meaning settle down. Rain, wind, running water, plant, and animal constantly break the rocks into fragments of the all sizes. These broken rocks material are carried by the wind, ice, and running water and deposited in the depressions of the deposit material are called sediment, and they rise up to sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary are generally deposited in the horizontal layers or stratus. Thus, these rocks are referred to as stratified rocks. The loose material are converted into the hard and compact rocks such as shale and sediment and sandstone. This is due to the pressure exerted by from the top or because of the cementations. The sedimentary rock can be formed mechanically, sandstones chemically, gypsum or salt are organically, coal, limestone. The sedimentary rock are the most widespread and the cover about 75% of the total land area of the earth. Characteristic of the sedimentary rock: they are comparatively softer than the igneous rocks. They are made up of minute particles of various shapes and size. They have layer horizontal arranged one above the others. They have been most formed under the water. They have mud crack and mark of ripples and waves. They have fossil between the layers. Most of them are permeable and porous. Of all the sedimentary deposit, coal and petroleum are the most important ones. Modern industries depend on the product from the sedimentary rocks. Economic importance of the sedimentary rocks: it is due to that they contain lesser minerals than in the igneous rock, but iron ore, phosphate, buildings, stones, coals, raw material for cement and bauxite are obtained from these minerals. Oil, natural gases is also obtained from the sedimentary rock in India. There is a possibility of finding oil fields in the sedimentary rock strata of the sub-Himalayan zones in the delta region of the Ganga, Kaveri, Godavari, and Krishna rivers, run of the Kutch, and the Gulf of the Khamba. The minerals oil, commonly known as petroleum, is formed by the decay of the tin marine organisms. In contrast, of coal is formed due to the dead plant between the impermeable rocks. Sandstone, limestone are used in the construction of the building. The fort of Agra, Delhi, and Fatehpur Sikri are built of red sandstone. Fertile fertile soils, Indus and Ganga basin are also made sedimentary rocks. Their alluvial soil are highly fertile. Topic number 3.1.3. Metamorphic rock. The word metamorphic means changed form. The rock originated at the near surface of the earth are sometimes subjected to be tremendous heat of the pressure. This can be changed into original properties of the rock, such as their color, hardness, texture, and the mineral composition. Such change rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Both igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock. The special feature of the about the origin and formation of metamorphic rock is that they remain in the original position and change under the impact of internal and external forces. Metamorphic uh, can be of thermal and dynamic origin. First, in the case of thermal metamorphic, the original rock are changed under the influence of the high temperature inside the earth crust. For example, limestone is converted into marble, sandstone into quartz, shell into slate, and coal into graphite. Second, in case of the dynamic metamorphic, the original rock are changed under the influence of the pressure at the great depth inside the earth crust. For example, granite is converted into the gneiss and the shale into crust. Characteristic of the metamorphic rock: they are usually hard. They are high specific gravity. They may be bended. They do not have wide space in them. Name of the rock, type of the rock, name of the metamorphic rock: limestone, sedimentary rock, marble. Dolomite, sedimentary rock, marble. Sandstone, sedimentary rock, quartz. Shale, sedimentary rock, slate. Slate, metamorphic rock, phyllite, coal, sedimentary rock, graphite, diamond. Granite, igneous rock, gneiss, phyllite, metamorphic rock, schists. Economic importance of the metamorphic rock: building construction materials. Gneiss, quartz, slate, and marble are used for the building materials in India. Marble is found in Alwar, Ajmer, Jodhpur, and Jaipur district of the Rajasthan. The thick sheet of the slate is used for laying the surface building. Billard table slate is found in the part of Rewari, Haryana, Karigara, Himachal Pradesh, and Bihar. Industrial uses: graphite is also used for making pencil. Its melting point is 3,500 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the pots for melting of metals are made of graphite. Graphite is indispensable for the atomic energy powerhouse. Quartz is one of the hardest rock used in glass making. Beauty aids, statite is used for making talcum powder and other beauty aids. Asbestos is a fire resistance. Garnet is a precious stone. It is used for making abrasives. Rock cycle. Rock cycle is a intimate relationship and mutual interdependence between the three types of rock: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. The change of the one type of rock into another type under the condition is known as rock cycle. In the cycle, rock change the material of the lithosphere are constantly being formed and transformed in both their physical and mineral composition. The rock cycle has neither a being nor an end. There are the environment for the working of the rock cycle, such as a, a surface environment of the low temperature and pressure, b a deep environment of the high temperature and pressure. At the surface of the earth, igneous rock are exposed to the agent of the weathering and erosion. They are often broken into deposit into in basin or depression. Here, the sediment are the composed and sedimented into sedimentary rock. The leftover igneous rocks and newly created sedimentary rocks are likely to change into metamorphic rock due to the heat and pressure in course of time. The formation of the sedimentary rock on the earth's surface and its conversion into metamorphic rock take place in within the crust of the earth. The sedimentary rock may be buried again and may melt to form the igneous rocks in the rock cycle. The matter of the earth crust is not lost. The earth and the cycle of the rock change has been active since our planet become solid. A loop in the cycle of the rock changes are powered by two main sources of energy, such as the heat inside the earth, which can melt into existing rock, and the solar energy responsible for weathering and erosion, and finally converted into sedimentary rock. Throughout the geological period of the millions of years, the minerals matters of the earth has been changed due to working of the rock cycle. And our chapter is now completed. I hope you understand this chapter.